Alright guys, got you on the tripod. We got a little unboxing going on here. Was hoping that this came yesterday, but it didn't. It came as soon as I left. A little bit of an inconvenience, but oh well. Let's see if I can open it up. 1, 2, 3. Open it up. I had bought my first RSX, I only bought the rear motor mount. So seeing all three of them is gonna be new because I had a high sport rear and an innovated passenger side. So this is the one that goes on the driver's side like this. I thought I ordered silver and black. I'm gonna have to go back and look, but it don't really matter. Ooh, hardware. That's new. This is the rear mount. Ooh, this looks nice. Hella nice. So passenger mount, driver mount, rear mount, and hardware. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm assuming 3 for this, 3 for here, the 2 stock ones off of the side of the motor on the passenger side, and then this goes in the rear as is. So I'm gonna see if I can get these on today. It's gonna make a big difference. These things look spicy. I'm about to get a picture. Clean. Weren't cheap, so I said I had to see how the difference is with all the power going towards the floor instead of transferring to the body and then the floor. But go ahead and see what the next step is from here. Turns out they were already crucified. I could honestly make a solid mount out of this, but you know, don't freaking need to because I have one right here. So boom, OEM, ripped. I didn't even know it was ripped. And then replacement. I'm gonna clean my hands before I install it. All right. Rear mount going in. How to slide the Ninjas. Driver mount's next, so I'll pick it up there because I don't have battery like that. You gotta move it. At 1%, trying to get that last clip in. Next clip you'll see is tomorrow, unless I get the phone charged. Clutch don't like that. Be a little nicer on the clutch this time. She don't like it whenever it's all the way up there, so I mean she's slipping. Oh shit. No way. Oh, I just want to go into first. start from second. Gotta pull over and check the cables.
The next day.
You like the new mask?
I do.
The next day.
Don't have a pickup truck? No problem. Get a Corolla. God damn. That's some Kissimmee shit, boy.
Boy, pa'l fin.
That's wild.
The next day.
Alright, so I shit you not, this is how I pulled out my my cage. This is not connected. This O-ring is completely out. When I unplugged this piece from the top, no gas came out. And this piece doesn't even have anything to connect to the freaking cage. What I mainly was trying to do is just redo this line right here and make a new one, but now I have to do something with this whole system right here to start it, and I don't know what the fuck to do. Because if this is broken and it's lost in the gas tank, I'm fucked. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. I just used some of the line that I have from the catch can, hose clamp, and through. Y'all gotta modify the cage right here and cut the top off. Put this through, have the O-ring on the bottom just in case. Have this zip tie since this was coming off. Make sure the O-ring is straight. You can see it sealed right there. Have this sealed too. Have a little line from the Prelude that goes in through here. Comes in, it's a hard line. Right here you can see the rubber sealed. So it's zip tied there and zip tied here so that clip don't come out. Have this already, like I said. So I have a good feeling. Have a pretty good feeling. Let's just pray that this works out for me. So we're gonna get this started. I put these two hose clamps there so that when I bend it, it stays straight and it doesn't crease, because I still need that flexibility to get it in. So when I do that, boom, the line stays without getting fucked up. That's what I have right now. Somebody asked for it, so I'm gonna lead y'all into my other addiction. This is like one shotgun trip. I couldn't control myself. There's a lot of goodies. A lot of goodies. Like rows and rows and rows and hundreds of Hot Wheels. So I'm gonna put a time lapse of me throwing it up on my naked wall. I guess don't judge me, but yeah, I got a lot of Hot Wheels. This is probably maybe just not even a year's worth of collection. You could tell that my JDM. So I'm finna fill these all up on the wall. This is covering my bed right now. But they're not all Hot Wheels. Like I got some of my favorite cars. Like that. This one's in the Fast and Furious one. Too Fast, Too Furious GTR with all the other ones. I got a bunch of Type R's, a bunch of Preludes because I had the Prelude. Yeah, I'm gonna throw these on the wall. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. That's what I got so far. Still gotta organize everything, make it look all pretty. I'll do that tomorrow. It's kind of late, I'm tired.
We gotta have the Wawa. You gotta have the Wawa.